I always wanted to push myself to that next level to strive to be a better builder. With this car, the whole intention of building it was to get to SEMA. I'm Tyler Cordura, and this is my 2012 Cayman, and this has all been built inside my garage. So the kit that I have on here is a Karma wide body kit from a company based out of Indonesia. These are the front headlights that I had made. So with this car, they didn't have any aftermarket headlights whatsoever. So I wanted something sleek, black, and then I wanted these halos on here. The cool thing about these, they're a DRL, so they're a switchback. They're white when I'm driving, and when I use turn signals or whatever, they're amber. They have no external wires. Everything's all plug and play. I remapped the entire harness to be able to just drop these things in. The front grille that I have here is literally an ABS sheet of plastic that we had designed a little template in Fusion 360 and then sent this out to get cut. Again, another more accents that we have here in the front, hand skinned, overlaid the carbon fiber, the vents right here in the fenders. These are the SSR SP1 wheels. Drew a lot of inspiration from like RWB builds with these wheels. I did the entire roof overlaid, and we overlaid this all by hand here inside the garage. We had to pull out the front windshield, take off the rear hatch, mask up everything, but we got everything handled. It came out great, I think. Inside, we have carbon on the steering wheel. This was the first carbon project that I even did with this entire car, and I had a lot to learn here. These are the QRT, Sparco QRT C, the full carbon fiber seat, and I wanted the steering wheel to match. When we're here in the back of the car, one of my favorite parts here is this wing. And again, with the carbon accents, at the time, this was the biggest piece that I had ever tried to do, but I think it came out great. This is also the air setup that I have. Again, just to tie everything in, I have the carbon board right here. This is a full carbon sheet that we had laid, pressed to fit inside here, so it's like fits perfectly. And then our mint green roll cage. And then you can see the HIP clear glass engine cover right here, so you can see the engine. I think it really kind of sets everything off in the back of the trunk here. The SEMA Battle of the Builders competition for me was a huge opportunity in the exposure, and it gives you the reputation, not just I brought a car to SEMA, I brought a car to compete. This is competing at the highest level, and so to compete at this space and to even win or to place is just unreal, because it gives you that reputation and quote unquote what I'd like to say is that authority in the industry of I'm capable of doing this, and this is what my reputation is. I always wanted to push myself to that next level, to strive to be a better builder, to see what I can produce myself. With this car, the whole intention of building it was to get to SEMA. So this whole thing was for that journey to see if I can actually get here.